Alright, this is my bike check. I'll start off with my front wheel. It's a Vendero 2 laced to a hazard light on a Fit FAF 225. Then I have a G Sport gland with the Odyssey JPEG lighter. And then my Mutiny 1 forks that just came in today. Put them on. Then these Odyssey lumberjacks, really nice ODI grips with the animal bar ends. Then I think, oh yeah, just the stock stem fit. Frame is the Eastern Grim Reaper V2. It's held up nicely for an Eastern. The sprocket is a Mutiny Sprizocket N28, and then cranks are Primo Holobites with Odyssey twisted pedals, and then my back wheel is G Sport. I forget it. G Sport ratchet 9, laced to a hazard light with another FAF 225. And a Shadow little one on the back. And Shadow seat, almost forgot that. It's a railed. And I believe that is it. That's my bike check. There is a little sun check.